celebrations mamaya. At isa nga doon, ang nakita natin, no, just a few moments ago, nakita natin ang video from Tony Talks. Ayan, sino nakakaalam ng Tony Talks? Alam nila ang Tony Talks, di ba? At kung hindi kayo familiar, I'm sure familiar kayo with the name Tony Gonzaga. Ayan, the Tony Gonzaga herself. Si Hello Philippines and Hello World lang naman ang kasama ni Bishop, di ba?
Tony Gonzaga.
Yes, ayan. So, Bishop Jonathan Ferriol was given an opportunity to guest at Tony Talks. At later on, marami pa tayo